It's a great pleasure to have you, all of us here. We're just going to start this press conference and they are joining in. But in the meanwhile, we have Rajesh Rajasekhar to lead the welcome as well as introduce the people on the dais. On behalf of Matrimony.com and Mr. Murugavel Janakiraman, founder and CEO of Matrimony.com, I formally welcome you all to this event. Mr. Muruga is here, he will join us on the stage. You know, in this industry for a very long time, it's 21 years ago that he pioneered online matchmaking in India. And we have a spate of brands, you know, starting with our flagship brand, Bharat Matrimony. We have Elite Matrimony, Community Services, and several other marriage services. So he's pioneered online matchmaking in India. And we also have Sai Chitra, who's our Chief Product Officer. She has been innovating all products at Matrimony.com for the past 21 years. Sai Chitra is in fact one of the recognized women leaders and has been with us since the start of the company. We will have in a short while Arjun Bhatia, Chief Marketing Officer, who will join. Unfortunately, he's been delayed a little bit in the traffic. So as he comes, he will take over the proceedings and do it. Despite the pandemic, it is so great to see so many media people join here on this August day when we are going to make a momentous announcement on behalf of Matrimony.com. I formally invite Mr. Murugavel Janakiraman to give you the address.
Thank you, media friends, and good to see you all after a long time. Hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. It's an important occasion for us. As Rajasekhar said, we pioneered online matchmaking in India. For 21 years, millions of people got married to our services, including me. And the purpose of Matrimony.com is build a better Bharat through happy marriages. The purpose is that we strongly believe the future of country depends on its citizens. A good citizen come out of good parenting fosters in happy marriage, and we should be the gateway to happy marriage. So the purpose of Matrimony.com is not only helping people to find a right partner, we want to contribute to happy marriages so that the kids coming out of happy marriage can build a better country. So we find out online matchmaking 21 years ago benefited millions of people. It's always back our mind. We know that we are not servicing all segment of the population. Because you see the Tamil matrimony, it's all in English. It's pretty much catered to only the degree holders and above. And this product is not suitable for the common people. But பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு டிரைவர் மெய்டு ஆர் கிராமத்தோட விவசாயிங்க ஆர் கட்டட தொழிலாளர்கள் ஆர் maybe the delivery boys. There's so many people in the segment of the population are not being served at all. So, and while that online matrimony has empowered women, today பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the millions of women were able to get benefit out of it, not being served at all. With the launch of Jodi, சாமானிய மக்களுக்கான திருமண சேவை. In the app of beauty you can see the entire service in Tamil. It is just really built for the common people. So with the launch of Jodi, today all segment of the population, while the Elite Matrimony targeting the rich and affluent, that segment is there. We have the Bharat Matrimony, Tamil Matrimony servicing the middle class, upper middle class. With the launch of Jodi, an exclusive app in the language, in Tamil language, we are able to take the matchmaking to the entire sector of the population. With this, we feel complete in the sense that we are able to serve the all segment of the population. So Jodi, we've been working on it for quite some time, and we are launching in Tamil Nadu market. That's our home market. We want to make it successful, and also it's something different compared to the way the Bharat Matrimony, Tamil Matrimony built is that this app is one, apart from Tamil, ID verification is mandatory. So just want to ensure that each and every person who coming to the platform are seriously looking for a life partner. That's one. Then now we also kept that other thing, like it's very simple to use, the very attractive price. So let me take you through the presentation and talk about the landscape of India, what's happening, why the need for Jodi, why definitely as a company we want to serve all segment of the population. So we will talk about that. There have been a significant uptake in number of people using online. We all know that. There are a couple of things. One thing about the coming of Jio into the mobile space that has made that entire the the internet subscription is so cheap. Today, mobile data is kind of there. People can consume as much data as a low cost. So that has really disturbed the way that people are consuming. The falling smartphone prices and also the COVID. The COVID also accelerated the digital adoption in India. Today, the combination of multiple factors, these three factors, with the falling internet prices, falling smartphone prices, the COVID, all these things accelerated digital in India. But today, the millions of almost 800 plus million users are in India using internet. But when it comes to matchmaking, this segment of people, common people being not being served at all. Rashi, let me know whenever the person is ready, we can catch your question. Since we have some time, thought I can update a couple of other things also. Recently, apart from matchmaking, we also been expanding into wedding services. We have a mandap.com. The mandap.com is a place for people to find the wedding venues. And we have close to 18,000 venues. We have weddingbazaar.com. It's a market of wedding services. Recently also acquired a company in this space, Shadi Saga. So apart from matchmaking, we also expanding into wedding services. We also expanding into global countries. So we have recently expanded into Bangladesh. We started operation in Bangladesh. So that happened. We also looking to expand other countries. So these are some of the expansion happening in the matchmaking. Because since I met you all quite some time back, I want to update some of the recent activities. So these are very recent additions. We just bought Shadi Saga a quarter before, and Bangladesh operation just started. So we want to take the success of Bharat Matrimony into other South Asian countries as well. So that's something we are working on. And supported by the marriage brokers or friends and relatives. So one of the biggest challenges is that they don't get a sufficient number of matches. Second thing is that even recently we saw that also. They end up in paying certain percentage of the marriage expense as a commission, which is definitely a lot of money. So these are some other challenges. One thing, they don't get enough choices. Second thing about that, they end up in paying much more than what otherwise they should be paying. And with the launch of Jodi, one thing that the price point is like 900 rupees for 3 months and 1,500 for 6 months. They get enough and more choices, and again, not limited by the choice what otherwise they may be getting through their friends and relatives or the marriage brokers. So we hope that Jodi, the way the Tamil matrimony has become the household name in India, or household name in Tamil Nadu, anybody looking for matchmaking in Tamil Nadu, somebody who's comfortable with English, and Tamil matrimony is the go-to destination or our community matrimony site. We hope, we believe, with the launch of Jodi, we'll be able to serve that common people and change the way they've been finding life partner. 98% market share in South India. 20 years ago, we pioneered online matchmaking in India, and we helped millions of people to find a life partner. The flagship brand is Bharat Matrimony, and our regional brands are Tamil Matrimony, Telugu Matrimony, like that we have various regional sites. Plus also run 300 plus community-based matrimony sites. And also we have marriage services, weddingbazaar.com and mandap.com. And we have 3,000 plus employees. We have 120 retail outlets across India, operating in 20 cities in India. Last year, our revenue was 377 crore. Yeah. Now next page. So, the digital, as I said, the strong digital adoption revolution taking place in India. So, since 2005, there are around 400 plus million smartphones, and today the internet penetration standards by 749 million by 2020 is already crossed 800 plus million. And what's driving the internet adoption in India? Basically, as I told you, the falling internet prices and the smartphone use prices coming down, and also the COVID. All the things has accelerated digital adoption in India. Strong adoption taking place in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. And you may know that 70% of people prefer the consuming content in local languages, vernacular language or Indic languages. And again, use news and one of the entertainment or largely consumed by the users.
மதிய வணக்கம். ஆக்சுவலாக ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது. தமிழ் மேட்ரிமோனி தான் வந்து பாரத் மேட்ரிமோனியில் வாஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டு கோ. அண்ட் அதே மாதிரி ஜோடி தமிழ்நாட்டில் இன்னைக்கு லான்ச் பண்ணுறோம். ஆக்சுவலாக உங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி வந்து எங்கள் எல்லாருக்கூடையும் இந்த லான்ச்சில் கலந்துக்கிறதுக்கு. ஸோ முருகா கேவ் அ வெரி குட் overview about how Jodi works. I'll give a small demo. It's a very simple app. We have kept it as minimal as possible because இந்த செக்மெண்ட்டுக்கு ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளெக்ஸாக ரொம்ப கன்ஃபியூசிங்காக பண்ண வேணாம் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால எவ்வளோ சிம்பிளாக பண்ண முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ சிம்பிளாக பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So if you look at the app, there are very limited features. You can upload, you can register with your mobile number, you can give your ID proof. Once you verify your mobile number and ID proof, then you are set to view the matches. நீங்கள் matches பார்க்கலாம். அண்ட் அதில் யாராவது பிடிச்சிருக்கு, அவங்களுடைய வரன் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் பிடிச்சிருக்கு அப்படின்னா அவங்களை லைக் பண்ண முடியும். Once they like, then the other person also will know that this person is liked. However, if they want to contact, there is a very simple way of contacting. Once they become paid member, they can contact via WhatsApp or call. So டைரக்டா வந்து அவங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சவரன வாட்ஸ்அப் மூலமாவோ இல்ல கால் மூலமாவோ அவங்க காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ரொம்ப சிம்பிளான ஒரு ஆப்பா யூசர் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த UX வந்து ரொம்ப சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம் இதுல. So I'll take you through some of the key features that we have built. ஆக்சுவலாக நீங்கள் லாகின் பண்ணும்போது மொபைல் நம்பர் மட்டும் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேட்கும். மொபைல் நம்பர் நீங்கள் கொடுத்தோன்னே நீங்கள் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணலை அப்படின்னா இட் வில் ஆஸ்க் யூ டு ரெஜிஸ்டர், விச் இஸ் அகைன் வெரி சிம்பிள் ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் வித் பேசிக் டீடைல்ஸ் லைக் நேம், ஏஜ், marital status, education and occupation and monthly income plus family details, because these are very important for this segment. இதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the education, if you look at, like Muruga mentioned, we have gone as granular as possible. So we have given details like we are not stopping with high school or diploma. We are also going ahead with 12th standard, 10th standard, 8th standard, 5th standard. ஏன்னா இவங்களோட இந்த செக்மெண்ட்ல வந்து they might be very particular. நான் வந்து இந்த இது வரைக்கும் படிச்சிருக்கேன், எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வரன் வேணும் அப்படின்னு. So we have gone to that extent. அதே மாதிரி if you look at the occupation, we have also gone like very granular. We are not stopping at a very high level. We have included things which are very specific to this segment. For example, கட்டிட வேலை செய்கிறவங்க, தொழிற்சாலையில் வேலை செய்கிறவங்க, விவசாயம் பண்ணுறவங்க, இந்த மாதிரி வந்து செக்மெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் வந்துட்டு we have included in the list so that it's easy for people to register and discover. So once you register and once you log in with your mobile number, you get an OTP. And the OTP வச்சு நீங்கள் login பண்ண உடனே you will land in the list view where you will see one profile at a time in your screen. That's what I'm showing here. So immediately when you log in, you will see the list view of the profile. So you will see that this person, for example, has studied 12th standard. He is working in a factory and he is earning 10 to 15 in that range, and he is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So this is how the list view looks. If you look at the call for action here, it's very simple. You can either click on call, the call button that is there, or you can click on the like button, which is very similar to the thumbs up icon. Or if you want to view the complete details of that particular member, there is a small photo. You can tap anywhere, but just to make it very simple and very, very obvious to this segment of users, we have kept a small photo thumbnail there with a indication that this will open the full view of the profile. So if you tap on this, you will get into the full view of the profile. You will see here that we have shown the registration number, then who has registered, age, what is the marital status, வசிப்பது சென்னை, தமிழ்நாடு, 12th standard வரைக்கும் அவர் படிச்சிருக்காரு, he is working in a factory, and similarly the monthly income is shown. Religious details are shown with respect to religion, caste, and if there is star that's there. If there is a horoscope, then horoscope will also be viewable for paid members. Then you have similar profiles, இதே மாதிரி வரன்கள். So if you want to explore continuously similar profiles, you can also do that. Here if you see, there are 3 icons. So you have a like, you have the call symbol, and you also have an overflow menu which tells you certain more details. Like if you don't want to see this profile again, then you can do so.
I'm Arjun. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Matrimony.com. So thank you once again for being here and supporting us for the launch of Jodi. If you have any questions to ask Muruga or Sai right now, please go ahead. Otherwise, we will have one-on-ones also later with some of you. Yeah.
ஜானகிராமன், ஃபவுண்டர் அண்ட் CEO Matrimony.com. இன்றைக்கி வந்து வி லான்ச் ஜோடி ஆப், சாமானிய மக்களுக்கான திருமண சேவை தமிழில். ஸோ இப்போ பார்த்திங்கன்னா சாமானிய மக்கள் பார்த்திங்கன்னா வரன் பார்க்குறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அவங்களுக்கு வந்து இப்போ இருக்கிற ஆன்லைன் மேட்ரிமோனி சைட் வந்து அவங்களால வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண முடியல. இப்போ ஜோடி ஆப் வந்து தமிழே இருக்கிறதால சாமானிய மக்களும் ஒரு 10வது படித்தவங்க, 8வது படித்தவங்க, +2 படிச்சிருக்கவங்க, சாதாரண வேலை பண்ணுறவங்க, அவங்களாம் வந்து இப்போ ஜோடி ஆப்பை வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணி வரன் தேடலாம். ஸோ இப்போ சாமானிய மக்களுக்கும் அவங்க வரன் பார்க்கறதுக்கு ஒரு ஆப் இருக்குது, ஜோடி ஆப்.